What is a quiet zone? According to the BNSF website, a quiet zone is a stretch of track where the railroad is not required to automatically sound the horn at each crossing, except in emergencies or for track maintenance or for construction work within 25 feet of the track. There are 11 crossings in the Edmond city limits fitted to meet the quiet zone standards. Concrete medians have been installed at 10 of the crossings to prevent vehicles from going over the tracks once the crossing arms have lowered. At the crossing on Coffee Creek, the concrete medians are not practical. Instead, a wayside horn is installed to audibly warn nearby vehicles of any approaching trains. Each crossing also has a new constant warning system, which controls the activation timing of the crossing arms based on the speed of oncoming trains. The cost of the project is approximately $4 million, all paid from the 2000 Capital Improvement Sales Tax.